Hi guys, welcome back to the Java class. In today's session, you will learn the different methods of an arrays class. Array class is present inside java.util package that contains the rich set of functions to manipulate the arrays such as the sorting, searching, comparing, and filling some element inside an array. So let us understand all these methods one by one. So here we have created an array of integers. So let us see how to sort an array. So you will use a method that is arrays.sort and you will pass your array name here, right? Then you will display arrays.toString method. So toString method will return the string representations of the content of the specified array. So let us just run it and you will see the output of it. So here we go. You can see your array is sorted. It is showing the values that is 1, 3, 4, 5 and 9. So it will sort your array in the ascending order, right? So let us come to the next method, that is the binary search. So binary search method will search the particular element is present in the array or not, and it will display the index of it. For example, you will define okay, we will use this array here, right? So how will you write? So you will use a method that is arrays dot, you will use the binary search, right? Binary search, or you will pass your integer array and the element which you would like to just search. So this is the name of an array, that numbers, and which element you would like to just search. For example, let me just pass the element here, the 4. Okay, so and you will display the index of it. So this will return into an index, like index is equal array dot binary search, or inside it you will just display the index value of it. Let's see what is the index of this element, or it is present or not. You can see yes, it is present. The element 4 is present at index 2. You can see this is your current updated array, sorted array, and the value 4 is present at index. This is 0, this is 1, and this is 2. So to search an element inside an array, it will use the binary search technique. Let us come to the next comparing array. Let us create the two arrays, that is array 1 is equal, array 1 is equal, it element is 1, 2, 3, and in the similar way you can create one more array like array 2 is equal 1, 2, 3. So let us see these two arrays are equal or not. So how will you use it? Which method you will use? So you will use arrays dot equals, right? You will use the arrays dot equals and you will just compare these two arrays, right? So first you will pass array 1, then you will pass, that is array 2. Okay, you will just save it and let's see what is the output it will show. If two arrays are equal, it will just display true. If these two arrays doesn't have the equal element, it will display the false. You can see it will display the false. So it will check the content which is present inside two arrays. Next is the filling arrays. So what is the meaning of filling array? Let me just create an array, that is nums is equal new int, right? And the size of this array is 5. So let me just fill this array with some values. Arrays dot, I will use the method that is a fill, and I will pass some integer values inside it. For example, this is the name of array, that is nums, and the value which you would like to fill inside this array. For example, the value is 10. Okay, so how will you display this value? So I will use this syntax to display this. Simply arrays dot to string, and this is the name of the array nums. You will right click on it and you will just see what is the output of it. You can see your array is created that is filled with the value 10. So this is the way how can you use the fill function. Next is the copying array. To copy array function, we have a method that is copy of. Let me just show you how to use it. So this is, for example, the original array. Original, it contains some values inside it, 1, 2, comma 3. Let me create a copied array. Copied array is equal. So how will you copy it? You can simply use arrays dot copy of. Arrays dot copy of this one, right? So this is the name of the array, and here the length is the 5. I am just providing the length of it, and you can just display this array using this syntax. So arrays dot this one, and here you can pass the copied array. So let us see your copy array is created or not. You will just run as and you will see the output of it. Yes, you can see your original array is 1, 2, 3, right? But it has 3 elements. So you have created and copied array from an original. So it contains 1, 2, 3, but the size you have provided, that is 5. So rest index values will be filled by 0 automatically. That is the default value of an integer. So this is the way how can you copy one array into the another array. Next is copying array with the range. For example, only the few range you would like to create. So let me just create one more array here, int original. So this is originals array, and it contains some values like 3, 4, and 5. And you are creating, that is a copy array, that is a range copy. I can write range copy is equal, you will write arrays dot copy of range, right? Copy of range. So the array you will pass, and how many values means from where to where you would like to just copy. So I am just passing here 1 to 4. So it will just copy the values from 1 to 4, the index 1 to index 4. So index 1 to index 4 values, that is starting from 2 to 5, right? So now let me just display this value using this syntax. This arrays or to string, here you can pass the range copy variable, right? And here you will see the output. You save it and you can see the output. So you can see it will copy the values from range 1 to 4, that is 2, 3, and 4, right? So last range will not be included. So it will copy all the values from 1 to index 3. 1, 2, and 3 means 4 minus 1, right? So it copies the specified range to the specified array in a new array. Next is converting to a string method. So to a string method we have used multiple times. So what is the meaning of it? It returns a string representation of the content of the specified array. So whatever the content you have, it will return the corresponding string of it, right? Next is the sorting in descending order. So how will you just sort your array in the descending order? So let me just create an just integer array. Integer using wrapper class. I'm just doing it. Numbers is equal. For example, you are providing some values like 9, 5, 1, 4, 3. 9, 5, 1, 4, and 3. Right. So this is not a correct syntax. That's why it is showing errors. Numbers one I can provide because it already contain. I can write arrays dot sort. Array dot sort here, right? Or inside it you can pass the array name, comma, you can just simply write collection collections which is present in java.util package, and you can call the function that reverse order, right? Reverse order. So simply you will use the arrays dot sort. You will pass the name of array. You can call the function reverse order which is present inside the collections package. Okay, and simply you will display the value of it. So let me just display. So this is not converting to a string. This is will come inside the sorting the descending order, right? Or here you will pass your name of the array, that is number 1. So let's see what will be the output. We will save it and you will run it. Here we go. You can see the output is 9, 5, 4, 3, 1. Your array is sorted in the descending order. So these are the guys few methods of an array classes and how to apply these methods over integer array or different kinds of arrays, right? So arrays class have multiple methods. Now you can explore your multiple methods by yourself, and I hope you understand some concept of arrays functions. How can you apply the arrays functions? So we have done for the day. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching it. Bye bye. We'll see you in the next class. Have a great day.